Hey everybody, so I got to thinking about this the other day. I was doing a photo shoot and I happened to be on the side of the road, and I always wear reflective material like vests and stuff like that when I'm in areas like that, and I couldn't find my vest. So I actually ended up using this, and I just stuck it in the road right beside me. And what this is a strobe light, and this is a anti-collision light for my drone. It's 500 lumens and it has a 3 statute mile visibility range. And I've always known that you really should keep strobes or something along those lines in your kits with you. But when I saw how well this stood out from a distance, it blew my mind. I mean, it's one of those things that you're supposed to use it, you're supposed to be able to carry it, but it's only until you actually see one in action that you realize just how powerful these tiny little things are. Now this is a lume cube anti-collision light for my drone. It was about 40 bucks, and this thing's extremely light. It's got a 5-hour runtime. Now you can use any kind of other strobe too. You can use a strobe light off of a flashlight. A lot of flashlights nowadays have strobe features, anything like that. And it doesn't even have to be this bright. If people are actively searching for you, they're going to be able to see stuff. This is meant so that people in aircraft can actually see me if I'm flying at 400 feet above ground level below them. The human eye can actually pick up a light source like a campfire or whatever from, I forget what it was actually. I'll put it right here. I think it was like 2 or 3 miles. The human eye is extremely sensitive at night. So essentially, any form of strobing light that you have, whether it be from your lantern, your flashlight, or whatever, it's going to stand out. But I would recommend something of this sort where it projects it out over a wide area versus like a flashlight, which is to focus it in one area. Now, obviously, it's great to have either or, but one's going to be slightly better. So let's take a look at how they look from the air. Now this little light, I really love this light, and doing the shoot that I did the other day, I really understood that this has more applications than just sitting on top of my drone. So my personal recommendation is that you go out and you make sure that you have some form of strobing light that you can affix to your backpack, to the exterior of your shelter or whatever, and preferably it be waterproof or water resistant, like rainproof. This isn't. This is meant to go on a drone. I'm not supposed to be flying in rain or poor weather, so of course they're not going to make that. But with that said, these things are cool. You really should invest in one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you haven't already, hit the bell icon down below. You'll get notified every time I upload a new video.